Om Shanti. This is 7 days Raj Yoga course. Day 6. What is Raj Yoga meditation? What is his process and purpose? As discussed in ancient texts of Bharat, India, one of the 4 types of yoga, and in fact the highest one of them is Raj Yoga, pronounced as Raj Yoga. Raja means a king, and yoga means a connection, a relationship. Raja Yoga is the supreme yoga through which the soul becomes master, a Raja, king, of all its senses, organs, mind, intellect, by simply remembrance of the Supreme Soul. There are 2 interconnected steps to learn and master the Raj Yoga meditation. First is self-realization. God says one has to practice the soul consciousness. This is a matter of effort, making Purusharth, as we are now have become body conscious. We have forgotten that we are a tiny metaphysical soul. This is the true introspection. Second is God realization. God says, as we put soul consciousness into practice and it becomes a natural stage of consciousness, we now recognize our spiritual Godfather who lives in the soul world, away from this material world. He is the ocean of all virtues and powers. We now remember him just as I remember the father of my body, so as I remember the father of my soul. Raj Yoga is a direct connection or relationship with the ocean of peace, purity, and all powers, God, the Supreme Soul. In Raj Yoga, we remember, visualize first the self as a soul and then remember, visualize the Supreme Soul, keeping in mind his virtues, peaceful, pure, loving, blissful, and powerful. Parallel to this, we experience deep connection with our own nature, that is, peace, purity, and love. The word yoga means a connection. In Raj Yoga meditation, the soul experiences a connection or mental link with the Supreme Soul. The process of establishing this link begins the journey into one's inner world to discover one's true spiritual identity. The process of going within, experiencing oneself as a spiritual being or a divine soul, which is the self-luminous divine point of energy, and then connecting with the Father. The supreme source of energy and virtues empowers the self in a long-lasting way. This process of self-empowerment is entirely voluntary and involves no element of suppression of the mind. In fact, freedom from all limitations of mind that we had drawn. It is also a process of aligning one's thoughts, feelings, words, and actions with the soul's original qualities of peace, purity, love, bliss, and truth. This is the way shown by God for our self-transformation from being vicious to true peace, purity, love, and happiness, and receive powers from the Almighty. The main purpose that God teaches us this Raj Yoga in this time called the Confluence Sangam is that through remembrance of Supreme Soul, we souls are purified from all our past sins of past births. We are taking a birth when we enter a body, and when we leave body, it is called as death of the body, not of the soul. Soul is eternal. There is a beautiful relationship of us with God as our Father who creates us. Teacher gives us knowledge of entire creation and guide liberates from sorrow and takes us back home. Om Shanti.